Hi everybody, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt, back again, making you another video. First off, this is my painting from my last video. It's not quite dry yet, so I don't want to touch the middle, but it turned out gorgeous. You can see the rose gold here and some of the cloud formation. The middle has the rose gold in it. It is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so there's that one. And let's see, I don't think I have a rag handy, do I? That's gonna cause a problem. Oop, here's one. Grab it real quick. Today, I'm gonna be working on this little heart. It's 8-inch heart. Let's see, first I'm gonna put on my white background. Get it all covered. I know it's a little past Valentine's Day, but what the heck. I've had it for a while and haven't done anything with it, and I just thought, well, might as well get it done. Seems like a good time. There we go. Get the torch, get the air bubbles. Looks good. All right. I have Artist Loft Crimson Red. What I plan on doing is Artist Loft Metallic Orange for a little bit of bling. And then I have Artist Loft Primary Yellow. And what I want to do is just put like 3 little puddles down at the bottom, very small, and then blow them up like they're flames. I still see some air bubbles. I see something in my paint. I don't know what it is. There we go. Like they're air, or like they're flames going up the heart. So let's see if we can do that without making a horrible mess. I just want little tiny puddles. Okay, and I have my mini blower and I have a straw, so we're going to see how this works. Might be a really short video. Some white in between them, I think. Okay, that turned out fantastic. I think that's just about it. Like I said, it's going to be a short video. What I want to do is I'm going to subscribe. I'm going to, I can't think of the word. Stencil, I guess, up at the top, an appropriate phrase. If you have any suggestions, please put them in the comments. I would like any comments of what I could put above it. Something appropriate for a heart on fire. So if you have any comments on suggestions on what that could be, I would really appreciate it. Let me wipe my hands off. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends and family, please. Give me a thumbs up. And like I said, if you have any thoughts on what I could stencil above it, I would sure appreciate knowing what they are. So give me a comment on that. I'd love to hear them, hear your suggestions. Everything will be in the description below. So, as always, please have a great day.